What's up, guys? Today is a big day. I'm making my first big boy purchase, and that is, well, I can't say yet because you have to keep watching, but we're going there now, and I'll just give you a hint. It is for the S14 that I just picked up, so stay tuned, and this is going to be a big project on the way, guys.
Alright.
Alright, so as you can tell, we are in a motor importer warehouse pretty much. I don't know how else to say it, but they have a lot of motors, K-Series, a lot of Honda motors, RB, and right here, you can tell we have a JZ. They actually have two JZs, well, one JZs, but I decided I've been looking around at motors and all over the internet. I've done my research on motors and what I like, and I think I came to the conclusion that the 1JZ is going to be best. So they had two motors, and the other one already had a compression test done on it, and I was going to pick that one up, but this one is actually cleaner and has lower miles. So I'm going to have them compression test it real quick and see if it has better numbers.
Alright, we're gonna go watch the compression since Dustin's not talking.
We did it. We did pick up the 1JZ. I also found some S13 doors the dude sold me. I feel like for a pretty good deal, $200 for both, and they're literally complete doors. They have the door panels and everything. But here it is. I picked up the cleaner one. They compression tested it and everything looked good. We're gonna unload it, and I don't know where to begin with this thing. Obviously, I need to find a manual transmission. Probably gonna buy that brand new and a clutch, but this is huge, guys. Super pumped. What's up? We're back. This is the trunk, all primed. I didn't get to show it in the last video, but I also don't have a hood on right now because over there we have a brand new one. You can still get these brand new from Nissan. So I'm gonna probably put that on today, but update on the 1JZ, here it is. And if you can tell, I have something behind it. I think you can guess what is in here. A brand new R154 transmission. Picked this up from the same people I got the motor from. And this transmission bolts right up to the motor, so it's sick. I think it was easier than doing the 350Z transmission because then I wouldn't have to run adapters and it would just be easier to get it in the car. Also, check this out. I was driving it. I just randomly decided to drive it. And as I was pulling it back in, I just took it to my city and back. Literally just into town. I was like, oh, this is making weird noise. Look at that. Literally all the lugs are loose. And I think it's like that on almost all the wheels because I tried it on the other one too. Okay, not that one. But the back wheel, the lugs were loose too, so maybe almost died in this. What is up? We're back. I'm in the shop again, and I keep forgetting to film. I don't know why. I just am getting too antsy. I just want to start working on the motor. That's what I've been doing. I got the intake manifold off already. It needs to be clean. I want to deep clean it. Power steering pump, alternator, and I decided that I want to redo the timing. So I got to pull all that stuff off, water pump and stuff, and do my timing belt and the tensioners and stuff. But I wanted to get this on a stand because I realized it's gonna be so much easier to work on a stand. So probably 2 hours later, I got the motor timed. I got into a whole predicament. If you're ever doing this, do not take these 5 bolts out. They don't need to come out. I accidentally did that, and pretty much the whole VVTi gear came apart, and it was a mess. Do not recommend. But now I have a huge mess. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I appreciate you for watching if you made it this far. This is how the motor sits right now in current time. I put some of the timing components back on. Like I resprayed the front cover and stuff. But anyways, next for me is going to be cleaning up the stock intake manifold because I'm going to be running the stock intake manifold. People say that they're good enough for as much power as I'm going to be making. And I'm still going to be running the stock turbo for now until it blows up. But I think the car will still be fun. Next video is going to be me refreshing the whole interior because, I don't know, interiors are a big piece of the car to me. So I feel like it will be a good video of just refreshing all the interior. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.